welcome to Anaheim Park Tourist. We're back at Disneyland today. We just walked in. We're super excited. We're going to head to the Matterhorn first. This is not usually what we do. We usually head to Space Mountain, but I just checked and the line's really long and the Matterhorn is short, so we're headed there first.
Yeah, and we're actually here to celebrate our wedding anniversary. This is number 20 for us, so we're pretty excited for the day.
Yeah, we're super excited to be here. We just love being here and taking in the atmosphere and the music. And so far, crowds aren't too bad. It did take quite a while to enter the park, but that's typical here usually. So now we're in, we're gonna go have fun. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Stop pretending, come home with me. Let's write a history, tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us, as we're dancing close together, making love. Okay, so we hit the Matterhorn, then we walked over to Splash Mountain because it was only a 5-minute wait, and they're filling the whole lot now. Our youngest was in the very front seat and got completely drenched. Like a whole big wave came over the front, and poor guy's soaking wet, so we're sitting in the sun trying to dry off.
He's dripping, like he jumped in the pool with his clothes on, dripping wet.
It was super fun though, it's always a blast, and we never know which ride is going to be our last on this since they're going to be retheming it, so we always just try to take everything in one last time. This is one of our favorites. Time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us. It's all about us. It's all about us. We're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us. It's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes. Can't get enough. I can't get enough. It's all about us. We finally get to try the Jungle Tulip, and I'm really excited because I've wanted to try this forever and they haven't had it since we've been back. So let's give it a try. Ooh, that's way better than I thought it was going to be. Ooh, that's sweet, but it's really good. Love again. Oh no, just think about what we did. It never worked, no. Tonight, I can tell you don't care. You always. We were able to ride the Twain, which is always fun. It's always neat to get a different perspective of the park. I love going on the very top level of the Twain and getting a really cool view. Then we ate our lunch and we did mobile order for all of it, and we all wanted different things. So we got a corn dog from Stage Door Cafe, Jim got bagel barbecue, and my oldest son and I got a salad from Jolly Holiday. It was all really good, and it seemed like the mobile order is a lot more organized now, and it was really smooth, no problems, and we were able to get a window as soon as we ordered, so we didn't have to wait. We were really lucky this morning and got an awesome boarding group for Rise of the Resistance, so we were able to go ride that, knock that out of the park.
And that's been not working as well today, so
the boarding groups didn't start for a really long time, right? And then it caught us by surprise because we were eating lunch and we only had 15 minutes to get over there, so we had to hurry up. And then we tried to ride Haunted Mansion, but it broke down, so we headed over to Indy, and I think it said it was a 45-minute wait. I think it was about right. Yeah. Right about 45 minutes. So that was super fun. And then now we're gonna go head over to Autopia. It's a really short wait, and we haven't been on that in quite some time. You push away then when I go all in, like you afraid of what might happen if you're trying. I'm already done with this game, so I might just be honest with that. I'm pushing you away then, you pull me back in, like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. Then you just stop trying. Always say the right things like. We popped over to the Adventureland Bazaar, and we really loved all the Jungle Cruise specific items they had in there. We especially loved the kids shirts and the Christmas ornament, and we almost bought the Christmas ornaments, but they were a little pricey at $40. And then over in another corner, we found Animal Kingdom merchandise, and we thought that was really odd. Hi everyone, so we are getting a lot done, but there are crowds, but the lines move really quickly, so you can still do a lot of the e-ticket rides, but the lines do take a bit of time. We've only gotten about 8 e-tickets done so far today, and it's 5:40.
And so without Fast Pass, you can't quite get as much done. With Max Pass, we used to get 20 to 30 done in a whole day, and you usually leave around 9:30, 10 o'clock. So it's a little bit harder, but it's still a good time.
Lots of fun. We're headed to Space Mountain. We haven't been on that yet, and hoping to do Star Tours after that, and then probably grab some dinner.
Don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me. Let's write a history. Tonight I'll make.
We had dinner at the Plaza Inn. Jim and our oldest son had the fried chicken, and my youngest son and I had the pasta. The fried chicken was delicious, and it was a really big portion. You could probably almost share it. The pasta was pretty good. It was nothing spectacular. If I were to eat there again, I would definitely get the fried chicken. The pasta was not as big of a portion, and I would say you could probably share with a very small child, but not 2 adults.
The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it. I cannot hide it. We won't regret it. So come with me, maybe we're meant to be a perfect melody.
We are wrapping up our night. We just watched Mickey's Mixed Magic, and we really highly recommend coming over by It's a Small World. We had a great view. We were right up against the railing for the queue. No one was in front of us.
And everyone was sitting.
And
So if you
everyone
want to
was
sit,
really well spaced out. We weren't crammed in here like sardines, so it was a really great spot, and I'm glad we picked over here to view it. I think we got 12 attractions in today, all e-ticket attractions. We didn't do, except the Mark Twain was the only one that was not an e-ticket. We're really happy with how much we got done with the crowds and no fast passes right now.
a little short of our goal, but hey, we still got close to it.
Yep, and we had a really great dinner at the Plaza Inn. Thank you so much for following us along today at Disneyland. We had so much fun, and we hope you enjoyed it too.